At SWICA, we are a health organization. At our core, we offer health insurance products for individual and business customers. Hi, my name is Fabian Ringwald. I'm the CIO of SWICA, a health organization of Switzerland. Over the last couple of years, the expectations of our users have changed. Where in the past, lots of paper sheets were flowing through the organization, we are more and more entering a digital era where a process is digitally transformed and supporting our employees, our colleagues, while keeping our customers as happy as possible. From a technology perspective, that means we need to adapt our tool set. We need to cater with tools that allow our colleagues that are in direct contact with our clients to be efficient, to keep up the good quality that SWICA stands for in satisfying our very diverse customer needs.
Hi, I'm Andreas Kohler. I'm the Head of Product Management and Underwriting. The quotation process is very important for us. We make about 12,000 offers a year, and it was time to make the next step. So we wanted to digitalize and automate the whole process. In the past, it was very complicated to make some offers for our customer, because there are several steps in the process. We did something in Microsoft Excel, we did something in other tools. The goals for the new solution were either increase quality, get compliance, and increase efficiency.
Together with the partner Toolkit that we're working with, we evaluated the potential of a low-code platform.
Hi, I'm Silvan Stich, Head of Low-Code at SWICA. SWICA is a global innovation provider. We specialize in strategy and business innovation, digital solutions and application services. We were contacted by SWICA in summer 2020 with the RFP to develop their new underwriting solution. We recommended Mendix as a platform to build a new underwriting solution because we are convinced that it is important that the users love the application they're working with. And we are convinced that with Mendix we are able to quickly adapt the solution to changing user needs and provide an attractive user experience.
We checked other platforms, we checked other approaches. We started by evaluating the question, what would it need to start from scratch and follow a classic development approach? We looked at different frameworks that we could use in order not to program all ourselves, and on top we looked on other low-code platforms briefly. Mendix came out on top because of the enterprise readiness of the low-code platform they present. We believed when we looked at the Mendix system that we could achieve our goal faster than with traditional or other framework approaches.
I think using Mendix was a good selection for two reasons. First, we were able to really quickly have a first working application and then incrementally build on top of that, incorporating quickly user feedback and new requirements. Second, by using the Mendix platform, we have an incredibly stable platform for the operations of the application, resulting in almost zero downtime.